Imagine a dish bursting with flavor and texture. That's jackfruit curry. This is a beloved dish in Sri Lanka. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey? In this video, we'll explore how to make jackfruit curry. We'll break it down step by step. By the end, you'll be able to create this vibrant meal at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You need ripe jackfruit, coconut milk, spices, and herbs. These ingredients are key to authentic flavor. Make sure you have everything ready. Next, we'll prepare the jackfruit. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Removing the core is crucial to achieve the right texture. Patience is essential here. Once your jackfruit is ready, heat oil in a pan. Add onion, garlic, and a ginger. Saute until golden. This mixture forms the flavor base for your curry. Now it's time for spices. Add turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. Stir them in and let your kitchen fill with warmth. The aroma will entice anyone near. After the spices bloom, toss in the jackfruit pieces. Mix well, ensuring each piece is coated. Let the flavors mingle for about 5 minutes. Next, add coconut milk. This creates a rich, creamy sauce. Stir gently. Allow your curry to simmer on low heat. Let it cook for 20-25 minutes. This step is vital for the jackfruit to absorb all that flavor. While it simmers, let's talk flavors. Traditionally, Sri Lankan curry is balanced. You'll taste warmth from the spices and creaminess from coconut milk. It's truly a harmony of flavors. As your curry simmers, prepare side dishes. Rice or roti pair beautifully with jackfruit curry. They soak up the delicious sauce. After the cook time, check the curry's consistency. It should be thick, not watery. If it needs more time, let it simmer longer. Adjust seasoning to taste. Now it's time for a taste test. Serve the curry hot. Garnish with fresh cilantro. If your presentation makes it even more appealing, imagine sitting down with a bowl of this vibrant dish. The warmth fills you from within. You're both nourished and satisfied. To summarize, jackfruit curry is simple to make. Gather, prepare, saute, spice, add coconut milk, and simmer. You've created a masterpiece worthy of any table. Ready to try it yourself? Gather your ingredients and get cooking. Share your results in the comments. We love seeing your creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more recipes. Join our community and explore the world of flavors together.